In that tree right there, that's a dead hemlock. There's a huge pileated woodpecker ripping it apart, getting bugs. I'll zoom in a little bit closer. See him up there. He's got a red head on him. Zoom's not working too well on my camera here. But anyway, there he is up in that tree, just giving it. There's chunks of wood flying all over the place. That's the largest woodpecker here on our southwest coast. I wish I could zoom in closer to him so you could see the cool colors on him, but he's got a very red head and there's some white stripes on him as well. About the size of a crow or bigger. That's about as close as I can zoom into him. He's getting his breakfast, I guess. It's still early in the morning here on Salt Spring. It's October 16th. Saturday morning here, and that's what he's doing. He's getting some grubs out of that dead tree there. Full of woodpecker holes all the way up and down it. You usually see the smaller ones in there too. We have a lot of woodpeckers around here. There's a better view of him right there. Probably sees me standing here on the sun deck and he doesn't want to be in the view of the camera. Notice how he scoots around to the other side of the tree. Move over here and see if we can get him. He's looking at me. There he is. Hey there. Woody woodpecker. Pretty cool birds.